Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. This is Digital Marathon series of videos where we are going to ask you 42 challenges, and in this particular video we are going to discuss the solution of our ninth challenge, and I'm really impressed with your energy and enthusiasm while participating into this event and making it a grand success. Thank you so much. And now without wasting much time, let us get started and see the solution of our ninth challenge. Friends, before telling you the solution, let us read what was our challenge. The challenge was you have to design a frequency multiplier to multiply a clock frequency by 4 using only digital components. Here you have to design your logic, which is called frequency multiplier. Input frequency is f, and the output frequency should be f into 4. Friends, the answer of this question is very easy. So this is the solution, whatever I have pasted. So if you see the first part of this diagram, it is multiplying my frequency by 2, and it is most commonly asked interview questions from the freshers also in most of the colleges. So this is a XOR gate, and this is T by 4. What is T here? T is a period of this applied frequency. So I hope that this frequency multiplied by 2 is clear. Then just repeat it in the later part of the diagram. That will multiply your input frequency by 4. Friends, in one of the video I have created on frequency multipliers, where I have mentioned that if this T by 4, because it is coming from digital components and it is not possible to control it at very high accuracy. In case this T by 4 is varying, what will happen to our output frequencies or duty cycles or phases? That I have discussed in detail. If you want to go through it, you can go to the clock multiplier series, or I will paste the link of those videos in the description section as well as in the iBar section. You can go through it. And with this, I'm going to end this session. I hope that this would be quite informative for all of you. If you also like this video, please press the like button and share your feedback in the comment section. And in future also, we are going to create many such videos. So to be aligned with our channel, don't forget to subscribe it and press the bell icon to get the notification of all the upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching and your support.